In this tutorial, I'll show you how to resize a gallery in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. Once you're in the website editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. Navigate to the page that contains the gallery you want to resize. Click on the gallery to select it. If your theme allows direct resizing, drag the resize handles or adjust the gallery width by moving the column or section boundaries. If you want more control over the gallery's width, drag spacer elements from the left panel and place them on either side of the gallery. Then drag the divider between the spacer and the gallery to make the gallery wider or narrower. You can also add spacers above or below the gallery to adjust the surrounding spacing. Preview the page to make sure the gallery looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Make any final adjustments until you're happy with the layout. When you're finished, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. That's how to resize a gallery in Weebly. Thanks for watching.